Welding helmets are the single most important personal protective device for welders, combining eye protection, face shielding, and real-time lens automation to keep you safe while preserving visibility. The category spans budget-friendly auto-darkening hoods to premium, color-accurate optics with advanced lens technologies.
List number 1. Yes Welder Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. This budget-friendly Yes Welder helmet delivers essential auto-darkening functionality with a 3.5-9-13 shade range, true color optics 1111, solar power with replaceable CR2450 battery, and 2 arc sensors. It emphasizes eye protection through blue light blocking technology and a lightweight PP shell designed for all-day wear. The compact viewing area is 3.64 by 1.67 inches, which keeps weight down and makes the helmet highly approachable for beginners or occasional welders needing a simple, reliable hood. Performance-wise, the helmet triggers in about 1/30,000th second with 2 arc sensors, and it includes adjustable sensitivity and delay to optimize performance under varying ambient light and arc conditions. The blue light blocking feature is a standout for users sensitive to blue-violet wavelengths, potentially reducing fatigue during long sessions. However, the smaller viewing area and single or limited sensor setup may lag behind dual or quad sensor models in high-noise arc environments or when tracking unstable arcs. For users who primarily weld simple.
List number 2. Yes Welder Large View Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. This model expands on the basic Yes Welder design by offering a larger viewing area, 3.93 inches by 3.66 inches, and 4 arc sensors for improved arc detection. The shade range, 359913, covers TIG, MIG, arc, cut, and grind, making it a versatile option for more varied shop tasks. The larger lens helps operators see details in the puddle and position work more precisely, which is a meaningful upgrade over the smaller model. In practice, the 4 sensors provide better protection against flicker and misdetection in fast or erratic arcs, and the larger viewing window reduces neck movement and eye strain during long sessions. The helmet remains lightweight due to its PP construction, and the solar battery power setup supports prolonged use in workshops with variable lighting. Potential drawbacks include the higher weight compared to the smaller Yes Welder model and a larger footprint that may feel bulkier for tight workspaces. Overall, this helmet offers better situational awareness and flexibility for serious hobbyists and semi-professional welders.
List number 3. ESAB Sentinel A60 Welding Helmet. The ESAB Sentinel A60 is positioned as a premium mid-range option with a high-impact nylon shell and a relatively large interior space designed to accommodate a wide field of view. It features a 4C true color lens technology and a large viewing area, 4.65 by 2.80 inches, 4 arc sensors, and an intuitive control system with memory for up to 9 settings. Shade range is DIN 3/5/13 with an adjustable lock, and it offers a fast switching time around 0.08 milliseconds, making it a strong choice for fast-paced welding tasks and demanding environments. From a user experience perspective, the Sentinel A60 blends robustness with precision. The 4C lens technology visually improves puddle contrast and color accuracy, which is particularly helpful when switching between materials and thicknesses. The nylon shell contributes to a durable, breathable feel, and the onboard memory enables quick recall of preferred settings.
List number 4. Lincoln Electric K3034-4 Viking 3350. The Lincoln Electric K3034-4 Viking 3350 is a well-regarded premium option featuring 4C lens technology for color-accurate vision, a large 12.5 square-inch viewing area, and an ergonomic X6 headgear system designed for all-day comfort. The extra-large lens and high optical clarity 1111 support detailed puddle work and multi-process compatibility. Lincoln's warranty and brand reputation add a layer of long-term value for professionals who weld regularly. Performance-wise, the 3350 excels in visibility, color fidelity, and comfort with a headgear system that distributes weight to reduce fatigue during long shifts. The 5-year warranty is a compelling assurance for pro shops. The main trade-offs are price and weight. This helmet sits at the higher end of the market and is not the lightest option, though the X6 headgear mitigates these concerns somewhat. It's ideal for professional fabricators who demand the clearest optics, resilient durability, and comfort for extended wear across TIG, MIG, or ARC tasks.
List number 5. Best Club True Color Solar. The Best Club helmet targets the budget end while delivering a practical auto-darkening solution with true color optics and a wide DIN 4 start shade adjustable up to DIN 13. It features a 3.62 by 1.65 inch viewing window, 1112 optical rating, and a fast auto-darkening time of 1/25,000 seconds. The helmet is solar-powered with a rechargeable, replaceable battery and offers adjustable sensitivity and delay settings to tailor performance to different environments. At roughly 18.3 ounces, it remains light enough for extended sessions. In use, Best Club offers decent color recognition and rapid switching, making it a solid entry-level tool for beginners or hobbyists who weld occasionally. The solar-assisted design helps with uptime in well-lit shop spaces. However, the lower-cost plastics and simplified construction mean longevity and durability might lag behind higher-end helmets. For new welders, this helmet provides a reassuring balance of cost, functionality, and basic protective features, with straightforward controls and adequate performance for common MIG and TIG tasks.